if everything go well.
That is the plan. Plan, stay the plan. Sometimes you got... Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. See that right there? That's all.
What up, effing Ayers? We about to be on this journey.
What up, folks?
Where we going?
We about...
Where the end location?
Okay, so damn, he just cut me off. So the end location is Fayetteville, North Carolina, because we are mother chapter. Okay, it is the 25th.
It's this weekend.
Yeah, it's this weekend.
Well, today is the 22nd.
Yeah, we are headed that way, but we got some stops along the way. And where we stopping at?
Tonight will be Little Rock. Tomorrow, Paul Stop, Memphis. Paul Stop, Nashville. You know why. And where we sleep at tomorrow will be Knoxville, if everything go well.
That is the plan. That's the plan. You know, sometimes the plan stay the plan. Sometimes you got B, C, D, E, F. But, you know, we gonna see.
Whatever the plan be or end up being, we gonna work it out.
But then eventually we are gonna make it to Virginia, y'all. We are going to Virginia, home of the lovers, because that's where I got some family at. So we're gonna go see them. Plus, that's where I got ice at. So we might stop back by there. Who knows? We just outside, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.
See you at the gas stop.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
All right, y'all. This is gas stop number 1.
How many miles we went since?
I think we went about 150 something miles.
I don't know. Let's just look at the odometer. That's the reason I asked you.
Oh.
If you say you want to do it that way, that's what I'm saying. You want to do it, I'm gonna do it. We do it right. I actually wanted to know.
154.
154.8.
154.8. It's a good little hump.
Yeah, and we didn't get caught with too much traffic because it's hot, y'all.
Yeah.
It's 97 degrees, man.
Yeah.
And it's October, about to be October, man.
Yeah, it's touching October. It's so close.
Yeah.
But y'all, we're gonna get us some nourishment because I ain't ate all day. We both went to work. He had breakfast, I had a snack. So I'm a little famished. I don't know about him.
Oh, hold on, y'all. We out here on this highway. But let me just show y'all what she talking about nourishment. just so y'all see how far nice is getting down. You gotta spoil yourself. Yeah, that's the ham and Swiss though. You know what I'm saying? Not the turkey and cheddar. Ham and Swiss.
Hey, you gotta get it in, you know what I'm saying?
Hey,
we on this road.
We only like to eat a real meal when we get there.
Yeah.
Starving or not.
This is gonna be probably the longest gas stop that we have till we get to our destination.
Because it's hot. It's hot.
So we're gonna eat this and keep it pushing.
We'll
Put that cruise control on and keep it rolling, baby.
Straight cruise.
Straight cruise.
Holla back.
All right, y'all, so this is gas stop number 2. We have made it to Arkansas, and we're gonna get gas, use the bathroom, and get back on the road. So we got about an hour and a half left, so we're gonna pick y'all back up when we get there. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, because it really helps the channel. Peace.
A few moments later.
Yes, thank you. All right, F&Iers, this is what it is. Hold on, guys. We want to make sure we bring y'all along to everything, right? And today, there we are. Okay, we made it to Little Rock. We were hungry. We said, let's go get some food. And we got over here. I'm like, dang, that tire look a little low behind you. Oh. Yes, thank you. So let me show y'all this current situation we got going on. See that right there? That's all a big ass chunk. And then we got a nail. But you know what else we got? It's called a wheel and tire package. So tomorrow we're gonna have to get up and find a Harley, but that's okay, because you know why? We ain't on nobody's schedule right now. We're on our own time. So we Gucci. So y'all stay tuned. We still gotta get food. Are we? I would think so. Because irregardless with the wheel and tire, you got the discount ESP that covers towing and all of that.
I put this tire on in March.
Yeah. Okay. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. Back to the hotel we go. All right, y'all. So at this point, we down one bite, but we still hungry. So we still went and got that chicken. And now we headed back to the hotel. All right, top of the morning, y'all. What we're trying to do right now is get to Harley. We're gonna air this thing up. Came out, it was on 0. But you know, we're gonna try to make it to Harley, get this tire fixed, and get back on the road. And like always, y'all stay tuned so y'all can see what happens. Oh, you got something to say? Okay. We'll come back to you later.
Man, oh man, oh man. Hey, y'all, at this point, it was a legit race between me and these 10 miles of Harley, and then versus this 30 pounds of pressure in this tire. As we kept on going, the more we made these turns, it was like riding on a bar of soap. No, hey, that back end wanted to slide one way and I wanted to go another way. But you know what, y'all? We kept it pushing. We did what we had to do when you out here on these roads. We made it.
All right, y'all, make sure when y'all go to Harley, make sure you got that app downloaded. Make sure you go in and check in. Get them points. Just that easy. Boom. Got it. Once a year.
try to squeeze you in.
Hopefully, because we on the way to.
Yeah, we on the road head now.
We from Austin.
You from Texas?
Yeah.
I gotta give love. I just moved here from Texas, so you know what? I'm gonna do what I can do.
What part of Texas?
Frisco.
Okay.
Frisco,
yeah.
Dallas area.
Okay.
Yep. I moved from
seeing y'all.
Houston all the way to North Dallas, and I miss it. I don't miss the traffic.
Oh.
Let me go just double make sure with the technician real quick if we can fit you in.
Okay. All right, YouTube, you heard it. They're gonna try to get us out of here. They're gonna try to get us out of here. We're gonna see how long we're gonna be stuck here at Harley. But hey, we made it safely. Now we finna go over here and see what we're gonna do. It's part of being on the road, right? Guess we're gonna walk on in here and see. When my bike broke down, somebody had a lot to say. A lot to say.
So currently, our situation, we're in Atlanta, Harley of Atlanta. And the person with the newer bike than mine, transmission is busted. That person right there. Yeah. They already told us your bike ain't making it to South Carolina. So yeah, she got no 6th gear, sound like she in neutral. And in 1st gear, sound like somebody playing marbles up inside that motherfucker. I don't have nothing to say because we're in the waiting period. Don't know if it's gonna be 18 hours or 1 hour. So not much to report on. Get back at you when we know something.
Where that same energy at? But I tell you what, y'all, he not crying. He not crying. You laughing, but I really want to cry.
Go on and cry.
I do. I really want to cry because, like.
Go on and cry. Because you know my point. You know what I said about crying. Go on and cry. Because you can cry from here until tomorrow motherfucking night and ain't gonna change a motherfucking thing. So what is the point of wasting tears on some bullshit? I'm crying. Look, you serious too.
I am.
Look, sitting over there looking like that Michael Jordan meme. Ain't no crying don't help shit, people. Crying don't do nothing but help your heart. That's it. Because you might need to get something off your chest, but this Negro right here, I ain't crying over shit I can't fix. That part. Hey, same thing make you smile, make you cry. I'm smiling this time, might be wanting to cry next time, but best believe I won't, motherfucker.
I'm not gonna. So we finna walk around and shop and see what we see. All right, y'all stay tuned.
A few moments later.
That tire warranty.
Still waiting. But while we was waiting, Foxy had a friend she met. They're good friends.
Made me get out my seat.
She calls her friend Sticks. And you can see why.
Yo, that's a moving stick. What is that?
It's alive.
Aw, you done messed him up. Poor buddy. Hey, get up. Get up, friend.
He gonna get up.
Yo, no, I think he dead now.
Nah, he playing possum.
No, give me something.
He looks like a stick, which means his defense mechanism.
Oh,
Told
there you go, there you go.
His defense mechanism is gonna be the paws and look like a stick. Duh.
Oh my God.
Like you about to bite nobody.
I'm done. Get me out of Little Rock. They got sticks. Oh, go to the light. You go into the light, buddy. I cannot believe that shit. That's crazy.
We ain't got nothing else to do.
camera need to charge. Y'all, so we are at Harley, okay? We done pulled the chairs out. Y'all like our chairs. Amazon, go on Amazon. That's something people have been asking us where we get these chairs at. We keep them in the bike for situations, you know what I'm saying?
You never know when you're gonna need an impromptu picnic or something. You know what I'm saying? You just might have to pull them juggles out and sit on the side of the highway and watch traffic go by. Relax.
So
We're
y'all,
not doing that right now, though.
so y'all, we are at Rock City Harley in Little Rock, Arkansas. So last night you saw we was getting ready to go get some food, and I'm looking behind him like, damn, that tire was low. And then he like, what?
Hey, man, went around the corner and I'm like, yo. Felt like I was making a breathe video, but I wasn't. That back tire was sliding.
So we pulled over, you know what I'm saying? Like you saw, and figured out, oh yeah, we got a problem. So we got up this morning, we made it to Harley. We wasn't sure, what was gonna happen, how long we were gonna be here, but y'all, they got the bike in. Oh, I will say Harley, they do try, most places try to get you in if you're traveling as soon as possible. But this morning it wasn't looking that way, huh?
Nah. But I'm glad we knew last night
Yes.
that the tire was flat and needed to get to Harley this morning.
Yes. Yes.
You know how we just went to bed, we would have known, but we had to go get some chicken. Believe it or not, we was on the way to get some damn chicken. Man.
Y'all know how we doing chicken, you know what I'm saying? So, they got the bike in, y'all. So he said, once the bike gets back there, it's an hour. Cool. We'll take that.
They on the clock. They had it back there about 10 minutes. Now we gotta decide if we're gonna change our plans up some or keep pushing.
Yeah.
We're supposed to go through a lot of rain and leave it here this late. When we get to our next stop, we'll have a few hours of night riding, which night riding ain't too bad, but I don't like night riding in the rain.
I don't like night riding at all. So
You can have all that. Plus my 10 advisors, we may be making some adjustments. Either way it go, even with the adjustments, we still gonna get to her family spot the same day, roughly the same time.
Yep.
So it is what it is.
Yep, it is what it is.
We just can't be spending no more time in no more Harleys.
But
One and done trip right here.
absolutely. But everything happens for a reason, and we're here for it, y'all. We are here for it. And guess what? We bringing y'all along with us. So make sure you do what?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Because you know why?
It really helps the channel.
Yes! We trying to grow, y'all.
Yeah, we're trying to get to 5,000.
We trying to get to that 5K. So y'all help us. Y'all be watching. Y'all be liking. Subscribe. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. Peace.
Raising New Rock. Oh, yeah?
Y'all, we have a subscriber here. Say hi to the people. Wait, hold up. Let me get you. Hold up.
Yeah, you been cleaning that. It's been like.
Yeah.
I got a brother in North Florida. Yeah.
All right, y'all. Back in action.
Malvern, whatever it is. We live in Little Rock now.
Tell the people, hey.
What's going on, everybody? Yeah, it's Kevo. Yes, sir.
Yes. Where we at?
Little Rock, Arkansas, Rock City, Harley Davidson. You know what I'm saying? Just stopping in, shopping. You know what I mean?
And ran in the fire and ice.
Yeah. That's what's up.
We just stopping in shopping too.
Yeah.
Tire.
Yeah.
Yes. Y'all, we enjoy when we out and we meet the people that keep us going, right? Because it's up to y'all to keep us going. Because we need that motivation.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. So, y'all, hey, I be trying to be nice. I be trying to be patient. Sorry. He really just took me out of character, y'all. And I've been standing on there this whole time. He still ain't said nothing. So.
To whom you give your money is to whom you give your trust. Don't get ass shit.
And they don't get none of mine. I'm like, I be trying, y'all. I be trying. So excuse me. I should not let people take me there, but he did. So, all right, y'all. Back to the normal scheduled program.
All right, y'all. They got your boy fixed up. Got me a tire on there, got me ready to go. But DESP let me down. They didn't want to warranty the tire because of the manufacturer. And the manufacturer is, who's my tire?
Commander.
Yeah, Michelin Commander.
Yeah, that's what it was.
They said for that year, they was known to have basically breakage in the tire. That's how I ended up having that chunk. But you know, $635 later, your boy is not happy. Not happy at all. But hey, you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. This like day 2 of our trip, so we can't go home. We gotta keep going.
Yeah, we gotta keep this train going, man.
But we did change our plans. So what our plans changed to?
I think from here we're gonna gas up and go to Clarksville.
Memphis first.
Oh, there we go.
From Little Rock to Memphis.
Let's gas and go, buddy.
Yep. Catch y'all on the road.
right, y'all. Y'all see it. It's the nighttime, and you know I don't like riding at nighttime. And it's raining.
We know y'all really can't see this video. Y'all can't see nothing, but we can't either.
We can't see nothing, y'all. Only thing that I can see is them taillights in front of me, and I'm just trying to keep up.
I was driving strictly by Waze. Match the map on the screen to the road you on. Because when I tell you backwood country road, was going to Clarksville.
And then, y'all, our boy Ace.
Man, brother. When I say he came out there in the dark, in the rain, hey, came and got us and took us to where we were staying for the night. Appreciate family.
I tell you what, when it comes to this motorcycle set and this thing called motorcycling, you meet some great people. And my bros, Ace and my sis Cinnamon, came clutch when they heard we were coming through the city. We appreciate y'all.
Epinayers, good morning.
Morning.
About to hit this road from Nashville/Clarksville to Lynchburg, Virginia.
Yeah,
Had to pull up at the Nest. You see it. But we got a lot of rain last night.
We tired. I'm tired.
But we're gonna get with y'all next gas stop when we get this train moving. Peace.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
First gas stop, folks.
Yeah,
And of course, you know where we stopped at.
you know it.
Buc-ee's. Crossville, Tennessee. So we left Clarksville this morning,
Yeah.
and now we're in Crossville. And we're about 100 miles from Knoxville.
Which is supposed to have been our original stop.
And we're gonna pass another town called Goodsville or something like that. There's a lot of villes up in this motherfucker.
Fill me up.
We'll get back at y'all though. We're about to eat.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you.
I already turned the bike off.
That left, fool. We routed. You must have messed
I thought I was gonna park back there. Y'all, we have brought Ice back to where she was birthed at. We brought Ice back to her home. Y'all, Black Wolf Harley treated me well. That's where I got Ice from. Let's go inside.
Felicia, and the person in her brand new Rolex special. Felicia, do that thing. Ring that bell.
Okay, y'all see it? Black Wolf Harley. Ice is home. Let's go inside. We are in where we got her, y'all. We are in where we got her. And y'all see that bell right there? I rang that bell right there, y'all. Okay, be right back. Y'all, we came back to Black Wolf. I did not buy anything. I just stopped by to say hi to people. What you got to say?
She ain't about nothing here.
Okay, Mr. I got something to say. Wait, what's this raffle they got? Can I enter in the raffle?
I don't know, but I'm gonna enter it anyway.
Oh, I should have did a test ride. That shirt feels good.
Now, last time you did a test ride, it didn't work out. She bought a bike.
I bought that bike out there.
Take another test drive.
Hell to no. It ain't her turn again yet.
You want to take a test drive?
Nah, cause I already got my bike. I'm gonna get another one, but that one gotta stay with me. And we live in Texas, so.
I got you. What's your
Effing Nyers. Oh shit. We done made it. Shall see. Kickstand down. Lynchburg, Virginia. Nice little 9-hour run today. Mainly rain and traffic. But the rain, I swear, man, 2025, man, 2024, 23, 22, all that, man, I ain't never had as much rain as I done got in the last 12 months. I swear, I don't care if I'm going to check the mail. I'm getting rained on. But you know what? This year almost over. So we about to check in, go see her family, have a good time. Then we'll pick y'all up when we on the way to Fayetteville. Did the video, but hey, you know, we ain't sponsored, but we should be, because let me just show you this. Bam. You see that? I got my cooler, I got my bag, I got my helmet. All in one spot on the rick rack with some wheels ready to roll up in this telly. Now, we're gonna show you what Chica over here doing.
Be quiet.
Oh, she had to get a whole luggage rack, man. Lord. Look,
Be quiet.
look at all this, man. Let me go on and help her out right quick.
We'll pick you back up in a minute.
No. We gonna load this joker up. We gonna show y'all this. Pick you back up in a minute, man. Hey, you don't get the control when you ain't got the camera in your hand. Cause if y'all real followers, y'all know. 2 years ago, Red Eye ain't pick up no camera. All I would normally say on camera was, yeah, what she said. That was it. Look at me now, baby. Look at me now.
Can't get him to shut up.
She wanted me to talk. I'm gonna talk too damn much now. Hold on. Let's see. She got some work to do. You know, I would help her, but she always telling me she INDEPE. You know the rest.
I got a little extra stuff this weekend, you know what I'm saying?
I got you.
You know, it's raining. I had to put my rain bag up. We're gonna fast forward this real quick.
We're gonna have to fast forward it because, Lord, it's gonna be about 10 minutes. Hold up. Let me clean y'all up so y'all can.
Well, you go ahead and clean them up.
So y'all can see her struggle in HD. What's that Jeopardy tune?
Shut up. Normally I don't have this extra bag right here.
Have to pick that up. Hold on. Let me come on the other side so I can get the struggle face with it. Because I know you're making a face.
I don't want to rip my bag though.
You need some help?
Nope, I got it.
You see? Y'all probably sitting there thinking, like, Retta, why you ain't helping her? She wants to do it herself.
That's how he do me.
So, you know, I don't mind watching you struggle. That's what I'm here for. Only, hey, the good thing is, y'all get to watch her struggle too. Struggle bus.
Alrighty.
She still ain't ready. She just thinks she is.
I know, I gotta get all the stuff from over here. Broke phone.
What all you got in here? You got some stickers up in here.
No, I don't got. Oh yeah, I do got some stickers.
Let's see. GQ, of course.
Of course, my man. My guy, my
KB
guy.
the Drifter.
My guy.
Large Jamora. I see Boston over there. And who's
I got
the
some
other
good
one?
people up in there.
Chantel Williams.
Shut up and ride.
Half Iron Will Travel.
Done that.
What's that? Adventures with Sparks? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she got something in here too. Oh, peace, joy.
Do I have all my stuff? Oh yeah. Oh, and then you see that? Check that out.
Oh,
What's that
hold
say?
on.
Coast to coast, baby.
Coast to coast in there too.
Oh, hold on. I think I got another one in there. I got somebody else up in there.
Aztec.
I think that's one of our followers. I think we got that from him on the road. Okay, that's it.
I ain't got no stickers in my bag.
Tragic.
No. I got bag liners.
Oh, well, yeah, that is.
My stuff pretty. We don't put nothing in pretty. She thinks she got me her tour pack too. Let's see. Let me show y'all. I ain't putting no sticker in there. Nah.
Dang, okay, I'm done.
I love you from afar. Just saying.
I gave you a key, right?
All right, now I think we finally ready to go 3 minutes later.
Yeah, I think I lost my phone though.
Look. Now we can't find the phone.
I'm already one phone down for the weekend.
Look, I can't whistle right now.
Yeah. Oh, it's right here. I got it. Okay, let's go.
My wife is the only person I know who will lose stuff in her stuff. What I mean by that, I've seen her look for her glasses all day.
Hey, we'll holler back at y'all.
All day long. And then she'd be like, oh, I found them. I'm like, where you found them at? In my purse. Then they weren't lost. You just ain't looking. Just saying. But as she said, we holler back at y'all. As she's still pulling stuff off this bike, y'all.
I need my keys. Let's go. I think my pants are falling down too.
Struggle bus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a runaway car. Runaway car. Meanwhile, y'all see this? Like I'm at the airport, baby. Just walk on in. She keeps on passing.
I forgot something in the bike.
What?
I forgot something in the bike.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go because we're gonna do this about 5 more times. Peace.
F&Rs, we made it to Virginia. We go see my family. Look at here. This is called, you need some pickle juice, you need some mustard, you need some something, because I got on that ground to take this picture with my aunties, and Lord, look at there. Down goes Frazier. But we figured it out. They got me up, and we got some great pictures with my aunties in Virginia. It was so great to get there to go see them. They always welcome me. It's so great. I love my family there. Y'all, we literally made it back. I mean, minutes before this storm decided to come. I mean, minutes. Wow. All right, F&Rs, that's a wrap for part 1 of this trip. Stay tuned for the rest. It's coming soon.